Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a cake without an oven. We'll explore two fantastic methods, using your stovetop or your microwave. Both techniques allow you to create a delicious, moist cake right in your kitchen, even if you don't have a traditional oven. Get ready to discover simple steps and helpful tips to bake a perfect treat without the usual equipment. Let's dive in and make some cake. For stovetop baking, you'll need a heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid. Place a small metal stand or an inverted bowl inside to elevate your cake pan. Preheat the pot on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. Carefully place your cake pan on the stand, cover, and bake for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean, indicating it's perfectly done. Microwave baking is incredibly quick and easy. Use a microwave-safe bowl or mug, ensuring your batter fills no more than 2/3 of the container. Microwave on high power for 1 to 5 minutes, depending on your microwave's wattage and the size of your cake. Start with less time and add more if needed. Just like with an oven, a clean toothpick means your cake is ready to enjoy. To ensure your cake turns out perfectly, always grease and flour your baking container thoroughly to prevent sticking. Resist the urge to open the lid or microwave door frequently, as this can cause the cake to sink. Allow your cake to cool completely before adding any frosting or decorations. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients to make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.